Hey y'all, hey, Chris here once again. So I know this is a quick and short video, but I just want to pop in and tell you all some exciting news that I'm super excited to share with you all. So on this day 10 years ago, I became a blogger. Well, actually, I was blogging before blogging was even blogging. I was just documenting my thoughts and stuff online, on MySpace, LiveJournal. If you've been on the internet for a while, you guys know what those things are. But as the internet started to evolve and change, I directed my thoughts and my passions onto Blogger, which you guys know I've talked about. I've talked to you guys about Blogger before, which is the Google-owned blogger platform. And on this day 10 years ago, I started my official blog. So I'm super excited to be celebrating 10 years officially as a blogger. I cannot believe how long I've been doing it, but I'm proud of myself because I never gave up. I pushed through. The reason why I started my blog is because, like, for one, I love helping people. I care about the well-being of people, and I just love sharing things that I know will be beneficial for your well-being or for someone's well-being. If it's something that I know, trust, love, and believe in, I know if it worked for me, it will work for you as well. So being able to share the things I was passionate about really inspired me to keep doing it. At first, I wasn't, I was just doing it for fun. I mean, I was just doing it just for the heck of it. But then eventually things started to evolve in these internet streets where people were making money off of their blogs. They turned it into a full-time thing. So for me, I was still blogging, but I didn't know what I was doing. I was just still doing what I was doing from the jump. Now I've been able to make money off of my blog. It has been truly a blessing, especially with all the job rejections and just not knowing where I'm going in life, especially when you have all these degrees and certifications and all that. I've been going back and forth with this for a while because it's like, oh, everybody's doing it, everybody's a blogger, everybody's an influencer, when I feel like that was my assignment from the get-go. But I just never tapped into my influence and realized that, hey, I do have some type of influence. People, especially like people off the internet and on the internet from all over the world. Hey Chris, where'd you get your wig from? Hey Chris, where'd you get that from? Hey Chris, where you traveling to next? Hey Chris, how you doing? That means I have some type of influence, right? So I say all of that to say I did my website all over. It looks amazing. I love it because not only is it a blog, but it's a site where I'll be putting announcements and other things on there. Like, it's just so personalized for my brand as a whole, and I just love it. I would love you guys to click the link in the description box to go check it out, and make sure that you subscribe to the newsletter so that way you get weekly newsletters from me. You're part of the CCW squad, okay? And you will get exclusive news first, discounts first, inspiration on a weekly basis, and so much more. I just want to share the exciting news with you guys. I love y'all so much, and I'm just excited to see where this journey is going to take me. And I'm going to be good, and I'm going to follow through with this. Hey, I am proud to announce that I am literally taking this leap of faith, and I am going into full-time blogging. Oh my gosh, I know I've said it before. I've said it plenty of times. It's been on this vision board, this journal, but my actions and my work ethics didn't match up to my reality as far as what I was doing. But I'm speaking this into the atmosphere because I have to hold myself accountable, and I want you guys to hold me accountable as well. But I am taking this leap of faith, and I'm going to dedicate a lot of time, energy, and just my passions, because I'm really passionate about what I do and what I have been doing, and to see how and what it has evolved into over the years is just mind-blowing. So I want to take it up a notch and I just want to see where this leads me, where it goes, what doors open for me. Am I scared? Absolutely, girl. Shaking in my bones, honey. I can't see it, but your girl is shaking, okay? I am nervous. I just don't know what's to come, but what I do know is that I'm not going to be disobedient anymore. I'm not going to neglect my gift, because we all have gifts. We all have something special inside of us, and just because 50 million people are doing it, nobody has your gift. So I'm really going to tap into this thing and see where it leads me, what happens, and just really take this thing seriously. And your love, support, comments, subscriptions, likes, follows, all of that, those little things make a big difference when it comes to these things. You guys know that I am truly thankful, and I always say thank you for your support and love on anything and everything that I do, because you guys have been rocking with me. Like, some of y'all have been rocking with me since I was in my apartment, before I had kids, before the big guy, and I'm just like, how do y'all remember that? Like, it's crazy to see where I've started to where I am now. I mean, I've made a lot of mistakes. I've said weird stuff. I've had bad quality cameras. Like, I mean, I literally started from the bottom. But to see where I am now, how much I've matured, you know, to know what I've gone through, and I'm still flourishing and prospering. God is so real. On this journey, I just want you guys to keep me uplifted, encouraged. I want to be serious about my consistency, my dedication, you know, just making sure that I'm being present for you guys, because without y'all, I wouldn't be doing this, because I would literally be talking to my camera and nobody would be answering. So I gotta make sure that I'm showing up for y'all and making sure that I'm there for you guys, just like you guys have been there for me. And I just hope that my journey will be an inspiration to somebody out there who wants to do the same, who's been going back and forth about blogging. You know, you've been wanting to do a blog and a YouTube and a whatever online for a while, but you just been making up every excuse because you don't have the money, you don't have the passion. Everybody's doing it, and it's like, I'm telling you, when you stay in your lane and you walk in the lane that God has for you, there's just no negotiating about it, and what is meant for you will not pass you by. So as a full-time blogger now, you guys will see more content. You're probably gonna be like, girl, where all this content coming from and stuff like that? Hey girl. But yes, you'll see more content from me. See a good bit of brand sponsorships and partnerships, because that's a part of being a full-time blogger. But you guys know that I only share brands and products that I love and that I believe will be beneficial for you. So if you do see a sponsored ad or something like that, just make sure that you support by liking, commenting, sharing, and swiping up on Instagram to go check out the product. And if it resonates with you, definitely check it out and buy it. Like, those things mean the absolute most to us, and brands love that, and they want to work with us again because of that. So I always tell you guys, thank you for your support and love, because I'm telling y'all, those little things make a big difference. Anytime it's an ad or sponsorship, like I said, just like, comment, share, swipe up on Instagram, click the links in the description box, and all that good stuff. Like, it really means a lot. And like I said, I hope that my journey will be an inspiration to somebody out there who has been fighting that gift for a while. It's 2021. Life is but a vapor. We need to tap into our purposes right now while we have the time and the resources that, you know, we're blessed with. So if you've been rocking with me for a while, thank you, thank you, thank you. Hugs, hugs, hugs. Please continue to do so. To your grandmas, cousins, sisters, and all of them, to come over to the channel, support, and let them know that I am here. Make sure that you're following me on Instagram. So I have my content for this week, but I know I ask this all the time, but I'm going to be intentional. I need to be intentional about the content that you guys want to see, because I look at my analytics and I look at, you know, data and stuff like that to see what videos you guys want to see. But if there's any specific topic or any kind of videos, I love when you guys give suggestions, because I'm like, oh, that's a good idea. Whether it's a product review, cleaning videos, get ready with me, fashion haul, whatever it is, make sure you leave it down below, and I got you. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye. Peace. Oh, shameless plug, the Living My Blessed Life sweatshirt is available at the CCW shop, which is linked down below, and we have them in black and pink. So make sure you get your life and get you one right now.